Keep that vibe. Drop a side down.
Yo, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on the Triumph and I'm carrying out a challenge. A challenge accepted by Paddy Outback on the Challenge Accepted Motovlogger Facebook page. I'll put a link to the Facebook page down in the description below, and also a link to Paddy Outback's YouTube channel too. Now, what is this challenge, I hear you ask, with sheer delight and anticipation? Well, I've got to rab it on for 10 minutes, and it was about 20 past when I started this video, so I've got to keep going till at least half past without having any more than a 30-second break between talking. Now, the 30-second break is purely to cover safety aspects, because I might well come across something where I need to concentrate more on that than I would have been otherwise. So yes, it's a case of me rambling and rattling on about whatever comes up before me. Now, I come this route because it's all twiddly and stuff, and I like twiddles. But unfortunately it means that you sometimes get the odd car like we've got here, so I'm going to have to dispatch that in a second, and I'll have to do it responsibly because I can't edit this footage. Because that's another thing, I'm not allowed to just talk for 10 minutes with cutting out the ums and the ahs throughout. I've got to do it constantly, in one edit, in one cut. Yes, it's going to be a challenge indeed. Now, a lot of my videos, when I'm making them, I do chop them to pieces to get a coherent timeline, which I think is a thing that majority of people who stick a camera on their head and a microphone in their mouth have to do as well. Should have kept it in street mode, I've put it into track mode. But yes, we often chop and cut our videos to pieces and use multiple camera angles to trick you into thinking that we can string sentences together and that we are clever individuals, which we are generally not. I am generally not. I've been contemplating not doing this challenge just because I find this sort of thing very difficult, and I'm also very aware that I talk utter crap when I'm not focused, and we weren't allowed to have a particular topic with this particular challenge, so we've just got to go with the flow. Oh dear, oh dear, 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 they're not even words, see? I can't even speak words. But yes, that was a bit of a mucky corner there, and now that's just dinked my confidence for the rest of the road. Brilliant. Nothing wrong with that, to be honest. It's much better to have dink confidence than overconfidence. So yes, those of you who watch my videos normally might find this one a little bit odd. You might find it a nice challenge yourself. It might be something that you want to go off and have a go at yourself, if you've got the equipment, that is. So on this little ride you find me on today, where am I off to? I'm heading over to Rikers. I met up with Pickle Boosh down at Weise Cafe yesterday evening, early afternoon. No, yesterday late afternoon, early evening. So I'm going to go and say hello to him, and another another Twitter follower. Oh god, see, I can't even do it. I can't even get my words out my mouth in the right order. And someone else I follow on Twitter, and no, in real life too, is possibly also going to be there. So it'd be nice to say hello to her. I do like the fact that I am now on my Triumph a little bit more, and the fact that it's got tyres that I like. That's good. That is a good thing. That stops me being so scared. A scaredy in the corners. But I do also have to relearn how to do all that. But that's for another video. We're not talking about tyres on this one. Something I notice I also do a little bit of, which possibly isn't going to be such an issue now it's more warmer weather, is I sniff and I and I tut, and you can hear my breath and things like that. So this would be a good experiment to see if I can restrain doing that for a whole 10 minutes. A whole 10 minutes, and I'm already going, I really want to sniff. So I'm resisting. Resist, resist, you must resist. Oh dear, let's get past this thing. Boing, boing, boing. Oh my word. Yep, I've run out of things to say. I've run out of things to say because I'm not very good at this sort of stuff. So what else we got going on? Yes, I am going up to Rikers. I'm not on my beta because Triumph. But what that does mean is that I'm wearing my summer leathers. Well, my leathers. I don't have summer leathers and winter leathers. I wear my Rukka. But I'm in my leathers, and that is awesome. It's so nice to have the weather with us. And guess what? Get around this corner before I do it, before I even mention it, before I even tantalise you with these wonderful words. Summer gloving, having a blast! Yes, baby, we are in summer glove weather. It might not be permanent, but it is definitely summer glove weather for today. And I love summer glove weather. It's amazeballs! Now, I don't have a problem with my winter gloves. They are fantastic. They're really comfortable. But you do lose that little bit of feel onto the bars with them. So it's really nice to be able to put on my Doobie summery ones. Well, I'm actually thinking I'm going to probably have to replace them soon. They are getting a little bit worn, as are my wintry wet gloves too. They've got a little bit of a tear in them. It's only on the cuff, but yeah, it's just enough. Get on your own side of the road. Get off your phone. Thank you. Penis. I also burp as well. Yes, I've just burped. I don't know if you noticed that. I did it very quietly. Junction time. Junction time. And we could go. Cool. No waiting around there. Awkward, awkward waiting around the junctions trying to think of things to say. At least there's something to look at when I'm moving. Now this is a rather high-speed stretch of road, but because cameras and potential policemen, we're going to keep it a little bit sane along here. I wouldn't normally go this way, but I was a little bit late getting out of the house, and yeah, I don't want Pickle Bush to be hanging around too long. As I said, I would be there at past, which is when this video is supposed to end, and we've only got 2 minutes to go. So yes, I think I'm going to be a little bit late, Pickle Bush. Sorry, mate. Yes, deal with it. Haha! Fuck you. Oh, I sniffed and swallowed. I hope that wasn't too awful on the microphone. Oh, we've got another gear. So I think this 10-minute challenge was a lot more scary than I anticipated it. But I'm also incredibly aware that I've pretty much just talked gibberish for the whole blooming thing. The whole thing is all just utter garbage. So yes, if you follow my channel for the awesome, fantastically put together and structured and things like that type motovlogs, yes, this one's a bit not, but then none of my others are particularly structured and fancy, are they? I tend to just cobble the friggers together and throw it out to you, edit it when I'm drunk. I was having a discussion with someone, I think it was on Twitter, I can't remember, and yes, we come up with a new hashtag, editing wine, or editing lager, if that is your tipple of choice. It's a must, you've got to have it. It does make the editing far easier and more enjoyable to do. I think this is a 50 along here. Certainly a dirty road. Dirty road. So I have to watch out for the old plodderoonies. Just doing their job, but yeah, it's 50. Let's tidy that pace down a bit. There we go. Lovely jobs. There's going to be loads of bikers out today. I'm going to be really looking forward to getting up to Rikers. I love it when the weather starts changing. The sun's out, the warmth is on your back a little bit, and all the bikers that have packed their bikes away for the winter months have got them out, often for the first time. The trouble is with this, the trouble is with them all getting their bikes out for the first time on the first sunny day, is you tend to have a few more accidents, I think. I seem to remember a few years ago where we were on one of the first nicer days of the year, and there were so many people who had thrown their bikes down the road, and it's such a shame. You just got to take it easy and remember you're not up to the pace you were at when you finished the season. You've got to get that muscle memory back again. You can't just expect to go out and cane your bike at the same pace you were before. Also, your tyres, they could have been flat because they've been sitting all season. So yes, look after your bike and your bike will look after you, but also respect the fact that you're not necessarily going to be able to ride as fast. There, I've done a lesson, a life lesson for you all here on this wonderful 10-minute challenge organised on the Challenge Accepted Motovlogger Facebook page set by Paddy Outback. Right, well, I've definitely done 10 minutes of this now, so I'm not going to make you put up with me any longer. If for whatever reason you enjoyed this video and felt you'd want to come and see more of my stuff, please hit that subscribe button. That way when I post more stuff you should get notified about it if YouTube does its thing, which it doesn't always do. And if you did like this video, or you like the idea of the Challenge Accepted Motovloggers Facebook page and Paddy Outback's challenge and all that sort of stuff, again, give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a little thumbs down, it's all good. And if my waffling was not to your taste, not all of my videos are this rambly, I promise. So yes, you might like some other stuff. Check some of that out before you discount me as a channel. Anyways, I don't think this one's going to get mega views because I don't think I can think of a title for it other than the 10-minute Paddy Outback Facebook Motovloggers challenge of Challenge Acceptedness. Yes, so hello and goodbye from me, and yes, ramblings are over. Ride safe, take care, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.